Hello, boys, girls, and boys. And I know today I did another video about the strong arm, the Nerf gun, but now I'm doing another gun, which is a cap gun, which is this. When I was 4, I bought this. Now I'm 6. I don't even know when I bought the strong arm to the Nerf gun I told you. This is not the strong arm. It's not. This is a cap gun. It's not Nerf. And watch this. Can you even hear that noise? This thing goes. And that lights up, that one too. And this lights up. It's pretend. See that? Right there, the holes. It doesn't even do that. That's shaky. Spin that. This is pretending. No. I am going to show off my wooden sword. This for a secret. And I know I'm 6 years old, but look at this. I got a real wooden sword. I know my mom really freaked out that I know how to do that. How I know to use it properly. I just put that on there. Put that on there. I know I will show off the zombie strike gun too, actually. That's a real. I have the zombie strike pistol. If you've been commenting down low, wondering what this was, I have it. If you wonder how long I load this thing, if you know how long I load, if you know this thing lock and loads and you don't know how to do it, see this? See that? It clicks, shoots 2 bolts at a time. Bye bye. I hope you subscribe. As the strong arm video, I've been saying that I need 10 comments or 30 comments. I'll be happy as all. And another secret, I'm a big fan of guns and children. That's why I did the gun one about this. Bye.